Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a very quick and easy blanket. So let's get started. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free. Or on Etsy, Hectanuga Patterns is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday, and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. I'm working with Bernat Blanket yarn and a 10mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. And work a foundation chain in multiples of 3 to the length that you would like your blanket to be. Okay, when your foundation chain is the length that you would like it, you're going to double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And that turning chain is going to count as a double crochet. So in each of the stitches that we work, we're going to make 3 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 3 double crochet, all in the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. 1, in the same stitch, 2, and 3. Okay, so 3 double crochet, all in the same stitch. And you're going to repeat that across the row. Skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Like that. So you're going to repeat across the row. Skip 2, make 3 double crochet. Skip 2, make 3 double crochet, all the way across the row. Okay, the last stitch of the row will have 3 double crochet worked in them. Now the next row will be repeated over and over until your blanket is the length that you would like it. So you're going to turn the work, and there's your last 3 double crochet. You're going to find the center double crochet, and you're going to slip stitch into that stitch. So you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and that's going to count as a double crochet. And you're going to make 2 more double crochet in that same stitch. 1 and 2. Okay, you have 3 double crochet in the center stitch of the previous 3 double crochet. So you're going to find the next 3 double crochet cluster, and you're going to work directly in the center stitch. And you're going to make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. Like that. And you're going to repeat across the row in the center stitch of every 3 double crochet cluster. You're going to make 3 double crochet. And you're going to keep repeating this row over and over until the blanket is the size that you would like, and you fasten off and weave your yarn ends into the finished work. So there's my foundation chain, and there's 3 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet, and just row after row until the blanket is the size that you would like it. And that's all you need to know to be able to crochet this soft, cushy blanket, Afghan, Lapghan, or whatever else you want to use it for. You could actually even use this to make a pillow. If you'd like to make a pillow cover, start with a foundation chain that will wrap all the way around the pillow. Then work as many rows as you need to cover the pillow. Then fold the work in half, sew across the bottom and up the side and across the top.